In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to strengthen your inner drive. When you've been working on something for a while, it's normal to need a bit of a boost. External motivators like praise and money will only get you so far. While they will kickstart you at the beginning of your journey, they won't be enough to carry you to the finish line. When the world throws obstacles in your way, you need a strong inner drive to triumph. Here are several ways to strengthen your internal drive when you need to improve your self-motivation. Journal. You may have to work to create a bit of a habit of this one, but it will be well worth your time and effort. Journaling isn't only a great way to document your journey, but it is also a way for you to dump all the crazy thoughts and feelings out so you can focus on the stuff that really matters. You can use the journal to write down your goals, list things you're grateful for, or record what you've accomplished during the week. Visualize your success. What will it look like when you reach your goals? Look past the material rewards and focus on the social and personal rewards that you'll gain when you accomplish your goals. Envisioning your success will be enough to motivate you and push you toward your goals. You can create a vision board to help make your concepts more concrete and give yourself a visual reminder of why you need to keep pushing towards success, even when you hit bumps in the road. Practice optimism. Your attitude and your attitude alone make up a majority of your ability to reach your goals. Try to maintain a positive attitude by practicing optimism throughout your day. Rather than thinking that you are bad at something, tell yourself that it's something that you're working on. Instead of focusing on how much you dislike a particular task, think about how you can look forward to something else that excites you. While optimism alone won't guarantee you'll be successful, you still have to put in the effort and gather resources. It will help you immensely in getting there. A robust inner drive will help to keep you working toward your goals, even during those times when you feel yourself losing your motivation and energy. These simple tips can help you strengthen your inner drive so you can accomplish all your goals and find success.